Good morning, students. In the last class, we studied a poet in which poet was talking to the clouds. Do you talk like that? Do you talk to the rain, flowers, birds, and clouds? Today, we are beginning our next chapter, The Letter to God. It is a short story written by Gregorio Lopez Fuentes, who is a Mexican writer. Let us study the first part of the story. It is titled The Pleasure of Rain. The house, the only one in the whole valley, sat on the crest of a low hill. From this height, one could see the river and the field of ripe corn dotted with flowers that always promised a good harvest. The house, the only one in the whole valley, sat on the crest of a low hill. What do you mean by crest? Crest means the top part of a hill. From this height, one could see the river and the field of ripe corn dotted with flowers that always promised a good harvest. Ripe means fully grown and ready to be eaten. Fully grown and ready to be eaten. Then harvest means process or period of gathering crops. So there is a small hill near to that. There is a beautiful valley. If we are standing on the top of that hill, we can see a beautiful river and a field of corn with flowers. We have lots of paddy fields here, right? Like that, this story is taking place in Mexico where people consume corn as their food. Like we eat rice, so there is in Mexico where this story taking place, one can only see cornfields instead of our paddy fields. Here in this valley, there is a big field like that. All those corn plants were ready to harvest. What else is there in the valley? Yes, there is a house, only one house in the valley. So, what all are there? A hill, a beautiful valley, a river, a huge cornfield. Near to all this, a small house. It is a beautiful place, isn't it? Can you imagine such a place? Let's see what is happening there. The only thing the earth needed was a downpour or at least a shower. The only thing the earth needed was a downpour or at least a shower. What do you mean by downpour? Downpour means a heavy rainfall. There is a huge cornfield, right? All those plants were fully mature. They needed a heavy rain, at least a small one, for a better harvest. Throughout the morning, Lenjo had done nothing else but look at the sky towards the northeast. Now we are really going to get some rain, woman, he said. Throughout the morning, Lenjo had done nothing else but look at the sky towards the northeast. Now we are really going to get some rain, woman, he said. Lenjo, who is that? He is the character of this story. He is the one who lives in that house. He is the owner of the cornfield, the one who planted the crops, protecting it, giving fertilizer, etc. On that morning, Lenjo was looking at the northeast part of the sky. He had done any other activities. What was he expecting for? Yes, a rain. We already see that corn crops are fully grown and they need a rain. Lenjo, the farmer, was waiting for that rain from the morning. Looking at the sky, he said to his wife, "Woman, the rain is coming." How he understand that? Can you understand whether it's going to rain or not? What changes will be there in the sky if it's going to rain? Yes, we can see dark clouds, there will be wind, etc. Here, Lenjo was looking to the sky from the morning. So, he may notice some changes like this. So, he said to his wife that it is going to rain. What was her reply? The woman who was preparing supper replied, "Yes, God willing." The woman who was preparing supper replied, "Yes, God willing." His wife was preparing the food for dinner. She said, "Yes, we are going to get rain because of God's grace." Both of them were worried about their crops, so they were waiting for the rain. During the meal, big drops of rain began to fall. Huge mountains of clouds could be seen approaching. The air was fresh and sweet. During the meal, big drops of rain began to fall. Huge mountains of clouds could be seen approaching. The air was fresh and sweet. When they were eating their food, rain began to fall. Huge black clouds came to their place. There was a small wind. The air became fresh and sweet. We all have that fresh feeling if there is rain, right? Lenjo went out to have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body. Lenjo was very happy. His crops are getting enough water. He was extremely happy. He went outside to the fields and danced in the rain. These are raindrops falling from the sky. They are like new coins. The big drops are tens and the little ones are fives. These are raindrops falling from the sky. They are like new coins. The big drops are tens and the little ones are fives. What was the response of Lenjo? He is a farmer. He earns money to live from his field. He was worried about his crops. If there is no rain, his crops will get damaged. When the rain came, he was very happy. He is going to get money from his field. Right? So he said to his wife, "It is not raindrops falling from the sky. It is coins. Big drops are 10 rupee coin and small drops are 5 rupee coins." So students, we are winding up our class here. There are 4 questions. You should answer those questions. Let's continue the story in the next class. Thank you.